Okay, video number 4. This one's for Rob Sigismundi in Canberra. He bought some rings and I bred these for him. So hopefully he's happy with them. You've got a little dark checker flighty or pied hen there. She's off the Ruts cockbird of mine that died this year, paired up to a Cooper de Wert hen. The dark fella there, he's bred the same way. They're actually nestmates. Then you've got the little smoky looking hen there, she's Goodger Prior. Then the fella there, he's a he's off a Godfrey Stevens hen, crossed back to a Cooper de Wert Buxton cock. And the hen there, she's bred the same way. But they're all still there, they've all managed to dodge the hawks. Hopefully they're still there when the race comes around. But yeah, hopefully I bred you something decent, Rob, and hopefully you pick up a prize. But that's them. Okay, I'll catch you later.